Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. I think we're at video number 77 now. Just got a notification of the earnings today. Really good day today. Go to the notification bell here, 0.65%. So the money I have invested, I made $104.22 added to my account. So now it's 7 days. I've had this running for 7 days so far, guys. And my forex account made $481.45 in 7 business days, guys. Pretty sweet. This is, of course, over the weekend. We do see 11 days in total, but 7 business days. This one investment made 103. This one made 69 cents today. This is for the month. This is all time. So yeah, guys, I think what I'm going to do on Friday, I'm going to take the full amount, make a reinvestment, and this will go up. This 21,000 here will shoot up about maybe 21.7, because I'm thinking this will probably get around 650, 700, something like that, out of the next 3 days. Usually average anywhere from 500 to 110. Sorry, not 500, $50 to $110 a day. So yeah, so things are looking really great, guys. My account is building. I want to thank everybody that has been joining my team and has been sending me emails. If you guys just stumbled upon me here, I've been in the S Group company for 2 years now. 2 years this October, because I started October of 2020. It's now October 2022, and things are looking really good. As you see, guys, I'm at the 21,000, about 500 here. Want to get to the 25,000 tier, which I go up 80% earnings, so things will be looking a lot more better for me. And yeah, guys, I'm just building my account. If you guys are new to S Group, check my channel. You can hit the subscribe button and check all my videos. You can kind of see my progress for the last little while. I think I started doing videos again in April or May of this year. I was doing them a couple years ago, and then didn't have a phone for a while, so I couldn't do any recordings. But I got a new phone here, guys, so things are a little bit better. And go to the dashboard here. And you guys could see this is my profile here, S4X 21,000. That's all I have invested in the company. My sponsor, he has money in all 3 areas, so he has a lot of money coming in. So it's pretty sweet. But I first want to get my forex account pretty high, and then I want to start adding money to these other areas of the company, so that way I can start earning money there as well, guys. So this company has a lot of different ways you can earn money. You just throw your money in the system, and it just earns money for you on autopilot. And then we get our notification bell each and every day, Monday through Friday, of the money we've made. As you see, yesterday I made $59, which was Monday, and then Friday I made $51, and so on and so forth, guys. So I just have these daily review videos that I'm issuing to you guys, so you guys can see my progress. Getting close to the end. I usually like to keep these videos about 5 minutes long. Again, if you have any questions, guys, my email address is in the description down below, so you can just shoot me an email, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have about S Group. I've been with the company for, like I said, 2 years, so I have a little bit of a team. I'm willing and wanting to grow. So you can also click on the sign up link down below in the description and join my team, guys, and I'll walk you through everything. If you want to have a phone call, we can talk on the phone or through email or through Zoom or wherever you want, Facebook or whatever, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through everything. Get your account funded, and then all you have to do is just leave it and let it run on autopilot. So I'm getting close to the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to click on the sign up button just below the bottom of this video. That way you can see all my progress and updates. And yeah, if you're just inquiring about S Group, shoot me an email. And also don't forget to click on the sign up link down below, so you can join my team, and also the subscribe button. Yeah, like I just said that. So sorry, guys, it's been a long day. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.